sounds so delicious.
Are you ready? Are you ready? We're gonna have some bulgogi first, and then golden noodles in a clear broth we call 평양냉면.
Right here.
Baby, I don't want to show my nose hole to the everybody.
I'm trying to show the restaurant. Nobody cares about your nose hole. They got them too. Okay, go.
The price is increased. It was 30,000 won on the online. It's 33,000. Dang. 냉면 13 is reasonable. It's okay. So this place has a. This place is huge, babe.
It is.
So this is more like a Seoul style of bulgogi. Very different, huh?
I don't know if I've ever had Seoul style bulgogi.
You're about to have now.
So coming in, first impression of the restaurant is it's super big, really
Super
nice.
nice.
Yeah, it's really nice. So it's not like
Fancy.
going to the mom and pop shop down the street or whatever. So it's like a nice restaurant. So the prices are a little bit more, but like it's already
A lot more.
yeah, it's a lot, but it's already like a lot nicer too for an establishment. What is this one? Tea?
Tea?
It's like a pink tea.
I think this is actually the buckwheat noodle tea.
It's perfect.
They cook the noodles in here.
It's perfect for your hand to warm up your hand.
It's nice. Our naengmyeon is here. Oh, you guys cannot really see it. There's a little kimchi, julienne pear, there's beef, some radish. Usually you will eat the bulgogi and then you order the noodles and finish the meal that way. Because naengmyeon is, oh my god, so how much is in here?
It's a lot.
Oh my god.
It's like the Naengmyeon challenge.
It's like 도전! Can we finish this? Oh my god. Let's try the broth of the naengmyeon. Because Pyongyang naengmyeon is the capital. The Pyongyang is the capital of North Korea. Their naengmyeon is you can see the clear broth with the noodles, so more like a buckwheat flour is more in the noodles. So noodles are a lot more softer taste, and you can taste the fragrance from the buckwheat, and the broth is almost like blend, and that is the point. It's a beef broth, but it's not only beef. There's something else in there, either pork or chicken. I don't know what that is.
I'm gonna guess chicken.
Chicken?
Just because.
Yeah, it's not 100% beef. I can tell that.
Yeah.
Ready?
Ready. Are you ready?
짠.
Done. Pretty good. So the point is just that slight flavor. Okay. So are we allowed to eat the bulgogi with it?
Yeah, let's try
Like
the
together?
bulgogi first.
And stop shaking.
Okay, and stop shaking. Stop shaking, Jacob.
I'm trying to hold so still and it's shaky.
We should make a lettuce wrap with the bulgogi. Nice. Bulgogi bite. Make a little lettuce wrap. You want some chili powder, chili pepper, or mustard?
I'll take some chili powder.
Vinegar?
Yes.
You want vinegar?
Yes.
They also have a little condiments of soy sauce, vinegar, chili paste. Very different. It's not gochujang paste. It's actually fresh chili paste. I will add some mustard.
You thumbnail too? Take it from there. Can I have some vinegar?
Now, if you never had a 평양냉면, you will keep adding like this, like Jacob does right now. Add a little chili paste, some vinegar.
It's a little bit better now. I just put a little bit in. So now I'm gonna try a little bit of the bulgogi.
How do you like it?
That's where it's at.
That's your favorite bite with bulgogi?
Yep, definitely. It's good. It might take away from that amazing bland flavor she was talking about, because it has the sweet and salty, beefy bite of bulgogi to it.
I wouldn't come here by myself, or just to come here with my friends. This is place more like if I have a foreigner friend coming over to Korea, and I will take them over here to let them experience the real taste of Korean, because they don't use none of MSG or nothing like that.
No, well,
All
wait a minute.
natural ingredients and nice service, and the decoration is really kind of little halfway authentic of, you know, like traditional Korean decoration. So it'll be very nice way to kind of show off Korean food. Kind of thing.
This is how we do.
Not really, but
Yeah, so I forgot to mention this at the restaurant, but I used to very dislike cold noodles very much. It was like noodles. Yeah, I don't know what you're doing. Like noodles and cold and sour, and it just made zero sense to me. And then I ate it some more and ate it some more, and all the different flavors and the tangy and the sweet and the spicy and all that together. It's like, oh, something about it makes me want it more and more and more. I have no idea what it is, but I really have grown to appreciate it for sure.
because I love cold noodles.
I don't say it as cool as she does, but cold noodles, noodles. I can't even say it like that. We're gonna go walk off the noodles.
Oh, it's dark here. Alright guys, love you guys.
Bye.
I'm wide awake and you're keeping me from sleeping. Oh, I'm too tired to fight.